Imagine a world where only 23% of employees feel truly engaged at work. What if the secret to changing this lies not in policies, but in the hands of great managers? According to Gallup's State of the Global Workplace report, employee engagement has remained stagnant at 23%, with a staggering 62% of employees just going through the motions. The cost of disengagement is astronomical, with $8.9 trillion in lost productivity worldwide. But what if we could turn this around? Gallup's research shows that teams with high engagement levels achieve 23% higher profitability. Engaged employees are better at retaining top talent and serving customers. During challenging times, engaged employees double down, showing resilience and commitment, while disengaged employees feel like victims of their circumstances. Countries with better job markets have fewer miserable workers, but this doesn't necessarily translate to more inspired employees. The key lies in local management. Government labor policies play a role in current life satisfaction, but employee engagement is what truly drives optimism for the future. Strong labor laws combined with engaging workplaces lead to the highest overall well-being. Employees in countries with robust labor protections and high engagement report lower stress levels. The interplay between macroeconomic factors and local management is crucial. Great managers can create inspiring jobs, regardless of broader economic conditions.